Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp chat widget to your GoHighLevel account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to add a WhatsApp chat widget, which will kind of look like this right here on the bottom right hand corner, except it's going to be able to be integrated with WhatsApp. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to go ahead and click on Sites. And then from here on the top right hand corner, you're going to see this button that says Chat Widget. So if you click on Chat Widget, you're going to see your existing web chats that are available for your website. Click on New, and then here you're going to see an integration where you can add WhatsApp as a chat widget for your website. So simply just click on this option right over here and then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts for setting up a WhatsApp chat widget. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to find a WhatsApp chat widget on GoHighLevel. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.